So now we'll create a small string. We'll just initialize it with the help of C++. Okay, so we have to include the header, that is IOStream, and we have to include the header, that is string. That is the very important header that you have to use. Okay, this contains all the libraries of this string class using namespace std and int main, that is the starting point of a program. So now we'll just initialize the string. So this string is a derived data type, and we'll just write st1 is equal to hello world, and again we'll just create a string. Okay, string 2 is equal to C++ is better than C. Okay, just we have printed a message, we have just initialized it. Okay, so now we want to print these two messages. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just write cout st1 and followed by a new line. Okay, and in the next line we can also write like st. Okay, we can also write this statement in a single line. Okay, that you can say cascading. Okay, but we'll just write it like this only. Okay, so return 0. Okay, it is up to the user that how it writes the statements. So let's try to compile it. So build has finished, so let's try to execute it. So you can say that hello world followed by new line, C++ is better than C. So there is also a second method of initializing the string. Okay, so we can also initialize the string like this. We can write string st1, and inside the common brackets, okay, we just include this double quotes, and inside this double quotes we can write our message, that is hello world. So if I just compile it, so you can see it will be compiled successfully, there will be no errors. Okay, so what we have created, we have created a constructor. Okay, we have just passed the message inside the constructor of string. Okay, so this st1 is an object. Okay, so as soon as the object is created, I am just passing the message. Okay, so just need not to worry about what a constructor is. Okay, we'll just discuss this particular topic in our subsequent lectures. So for now, just remember that there is a second alternative of initializing the string. Okay, when we are declaring the variable, at the same time we just create we just pass the string in this particular variable with the help of double quotes. So here you can see the output is similar to the first one, that is hello world followed by a new line, and C++ is better than C. Okay, and there are different operations that we will do here. Okay, I want to, if I just create a third string, that is str3. Okay, and if I just write here str3 is equal to st1 plus st2. Okay, and if I write cout after concatenation. Okay, after concatenation, and if I just write str3, so here direct concatenation will be done. Okay, there will be no, you can say there is no method like strcat that we have used here. Okay, directly we have used the plus operator. Okay, so this is a very powerful this is a very powerful, you can say, a technique, or a powerful mechanism that has been provided by this string, by this string class. So let's try to execute it. Okay, first of all we'll just build it, and it has successfully built, and let's try to execute it. And it has it has just printed the message that after concatenation hello world, C++ is better than C. Okay, so we haven't used any spaces or any new line concept type of thing. So what I'll write, I'll just write here endl. Okay, and after concatenation, just write a space. Okay, give a space here, and you can just type it, or you can just give a new tab. Okay, and just try to build it again. Okay, so here you can say after concatenation hello world, C++ is better than C. So if you want to okay that it will be separated, that C++ is better than C and this hello world is combining here. If you want to separate it, so you have to just okay concatenate a space here. Okay, so just okay concatenate a space with this plus operator, and now you'll just see the output will be like okay the way you want it. Okay, so it's like after concatenation space hello world, and it is the space now because we have okay put a space, we have concatenated a space also. Okay, C plus is better than C. Okay, so in this way you can do okay many tasks. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So in the okay upcoming lectures, in the upcoming practical sessions, we'll see some more concepts of string. Thanks.